New this morning, a Flint dad facing 7 felonies and a misdemeanor charge after his 2-year-old son shot himself in the head, killing him. Omar Guy's charges include violating Michigan's new safe storage law, causing death, involuntary manslaughter, and lying to a police officer. Police say they found his son dead in the home on Philadelphia Boulevard, May 15.
Guy's attorney issuing a statement, you see it right there on your screen, saying his client is heartbroken by the tragic death of his son. Mr. Guy eagerly awaits his day in court to explain the circumstances regarding this tragic accident. Until then, he asks the people of Flint to keep Cortez and the Guy family in their prayers. He's due back in court later on this month.